Hello everybody, how are we all doing, yo? Welcome to Buzz Buggy's RC channel. My name is Jim Bob. You join me in my bedroom and I'm doing a bit of an unboxing today. I'm not really a fan of unboxings, to be honest. I'd rather be out and playing with them, wouldn't you? It's just loads more fun, but it's an RC channel. I have to do unboxings. So, what we got here? In my hand here, I have got a Team Associated mt12 minivan, a little crawler thing. Now, I just love a Team Associated product, don't you? This is my third one now, but this is my first crawler, so I can't wait to use this. All right, let's unbox it. Let's have a see what you get. This is the first time I've actually seen this properly. I've only took the lid off, that's all, so I don't really know what it's like. So let's do this together. When the lid comes off. Woo, look at that! Look at that. Oh, it is a proper mini as well. Underneath, it's proper crawler style. I've never owned a crawler before, so it's all like it's all like bars and like a proper monster truck underneath, which I'll show you in a minute. But absolutely loving the colours. Monster van. This thing's gonna be awesome, isn't it? I can tell already. Let's take the shell off and have a look. This is the shell from the top, just so you know. Just love it. It's like it's old school, isn't it? It's yeah, very retro sort of looking. It's fair to say I've got nothing like this in my collection right now. This is we'll get some closes and that on the shocks and everything else, the ESC and the motor and everything in a minute. I'm just, it's all right. It's all loads of framework and that. Yeah, it's a proper crawler. I imagine there's a lot of upgrades in that for it. I've still got the tie wraps on. Look, get some scissors soon, but yeah, I like it. I like the look of it. It's that's very springy, squishy, nice tires. Right, let's have a little look at this motor. I think I'm right in saying that Reedy and Team Associated, it's well, every Team Associated thing that I've seen, the ones that I've got, it's all Reedy gear on them. So I think they just sort of, they're together out there. So anyway, we've got a 380 kV motor going on. So it's like, it's to get torque, it's sort of slower and that. It's sort of, so you can climb hills and stuff like that, isn't it? If you've got like, a brushless system that's really high powered, like a 4000 kV or something, it's going to sit at the bottom of the hill or whatever, just spinning up in it. So that's what crawlers are all about, and for climbing and stuff like that. We've got a waterproof Reedy ESC there, and that's your receiver and everything. Got metal 4-linked suspension. Got a 3-gear transmission in there. It says here on the box. It's a metal pinion and then plastic spare gears. Oil-filled adjustable shocks all round. This thing just looks really good quality. It's the wheels, really deep dished. The shell, I know it's a bit sort of Scooby-Doo-ish, isn't it? But do you know what I mean? Does it say on there, World Champion RC Cars? They are good, these Team Associated. They are good. But yeah, the shell's popping. I'm liking that. The tyres, nice and sort of squishy. They're kind of a bit soft, like a soft sort of compound. I think that'd be good for digging in and that, won't it? I'm getting some of this off the box. This is a chassis mounted steering, so that's your link rods there, and then the servos there on the top. The thing just looks absolutely bonkers. I don't really know a lot about these crawlers and that, but I'm about to find out, aren't I? See, drive shafts in there, they actually look really strong. They're like plastic sort of outer cases, and then it's metal. It is metal. Yeah, they are metal in there, your dog bones and that. You can see it. Yeah, liking it. A couple of links there. Diffs. I imagine you can get upgraded metal diff cases and stuff for it. I bet there's some bits and pieces to this thing, isn't there? I don't know. I'll have to have a look into it. Just trying to get you so you can see it all and that. Get some closes. Don't want to listen to me, do you? You want to be seeing all this. So batteries. The battery looks like just straps onto there. So right, let's have a look. An on-off switch. Let's just have a look what else you get in the box. My God, it's just so dark in here. I'm trying my best, peeps. I've got my lamp and everything on the go. That's your controller. Same as what I've got with my team associated buggies. 4 AAs in the bottom. Actually quite a nice feeling thing and that. Not had any problems. A few trims and things. Feels alright. You get an instruction booklet. 2-cell 850 milliamp hour Reedy battery with Deans. One charger. A strap. Is there any stickers or anything about in here? I'm not sure. It's your booklet and that. I don't know. But yeah. So that's it. Another quick unboxing done. I'll be out with this ASAP. The weather's absolutely awful today. It's been chucking it down, so I haven't been able to get out. But this is new to me, this crawling thing. I totally get it though. So I've got a couple of places in mind where I can take it. But just look at that before I go. Team Associated, mt12, crawler minivan. To be honest, I could put that on a shelf and stare at that all day. Look at it. So cool, so cool. Right, anyway, yeah, so look out for the video on this one. Have a good evening, everybody. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.